Hi, this is Vashali from Just Tutors, and in this video today we'll be learning about equivalent fractions. So let's have a look what are the topics we'll be covering today. Equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions, and comparing like fractions. So before moving ahead, here are some quick questions you want to try. You can pause the video and try these questions out. Alright, so let's check your answers. You can have a look at the answers written on the screen and match your answers with them. I hope all your answers are absolutely correct. Let's move ahead and learn what are equivalent fractions. So what does the name equivalent itself represent? It means equal in value. That is what equivalent fraction means. So let's take an example. It says Ram and Kareem have one pizza each. Ram had one slice out of two slices and Kareem had two slices out of four slices of the pizza. So Ram had half of the pizza and Kareem ate 2/4 of the pizza. Right? Now, if we compare, don't you think that they both have the same amount? Half equals 2/4. Exactly. That is what equivalent means. Fractions which are same in value, they are known as equivalent fractions. So let's move ahead and learn how we can find equivalent fractions using multiplication. So when the top number, numerator, and the bottom number, that's denominator, is multiplied by the same number to get a equivalent fraction, that is how we work on with using multiplication. You can have a look at the first, second, and the third example given here and try doing the questions below. So let's check the answer. You can have a look that here we are multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number, that's 5, to get an equivalent fraction 20 over 35. And here we are timesing it by 6 to get an equivalent fraction for 3/8, that's 18 over 48. The same procedure we follow working with equivalent fraction using division. So whenever the numerator and the denominator having the same divisor, then we divide the top and the bottom number by the same number to get an equivalent fraction to original fraction. You can pause the video once again and try the following questions given at the bottom. So that's the solution for the given questions. Alright, let's move ahead and talk about what are like and unlike fractions. As the name suggests, like fractions are somewhat similar. So fractions having the same bottom numbers or the denominators are called like fractions, and fractions having different bottom numbers or denominators are known as unlike fractions. So you can go ahead and write one pair of like fraction and unlike fraction having a look at the examples given above. Moving ahead, let's learn how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So let's see an example here. We are given two unlike fraction. Now if asked to convert them into fraction, convert them into like fraction, we need to have two fractions with same denominator. For that, we need to find a least common multiple for 6 and 9. That could be 18. What we have to do is we need to change the denominator of both the fractions as 18 by using concept of equivalent fraction by multiplication. You can pause the video and try the question given below by changing the following unlike fractions into like fractions. Let's move ahead and now talk about comparing like fractions. So when comparing two fractions with like denominators, the larger fraction is the one with the greatest numerator. Let's look at the example given below. We are given some set of fractions. What will be the first step? We'll arrange the fractions. Now have a look, all the fractions have same denominator. So the largest fraction is the one with the greatest numerator. In that case, 7/15 is the largest fraction. After that, it will be 6/15, then 4/15, and then 3/15. In the same way, you can try working with the question given below. Let's move ahead and try out some quick questions. You can pause the video and try these questions out so you can match your answers from the solutions written here. I hope all your answers are absolutely correct. Let's move ahead and try out some more quick questions. Please pause the video once again and try these questions out. Take the pair of equivalent fractions. So here are some few pairs of equivalent fractions given below. So I hope all your answers are absolutely correct and today's video was very informative for you. So if all your answers are correct, then go ahead and pat your back. You have really done a good job. For more, please visit justtutors.com. Thank you so much for watching.